David, 我们喝什么？ What would David most likely to say according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is C. 喝白酒怎么样？昨天晚上我和 Mark 喝了2瓶二锅头。2瓶？太多了。Which of the following answers is true according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B. They drank too much white liquor last night. Tom, 你昨天喝醉了吗？是啊，昨天去我女朋友家，我和她爸爸喝了1瓶茅台。What has happened to Tom? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is C. Tom drank a bottle of white liquor with his girlfriend's father. Mark, here's to you. 祝你生日快乐，谢谢。What would he probably say? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is A. 干杯！祝我们合作愉快！干杯！干杯！ Where is this dialogue most likely taking place? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is C. At dinner.